In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot step by step. If you want your emails to feel more personal, improve deliverability, and look like genuine one-to-one messages instead of heavy marketing templates, this is the perfect guide for you. I'll walk you through where to find the simple email editor, what you can customize, what you can't change, and how to use personalization tokens the right way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the simple email editor inside HubSpot. From your dashboard, go to Marketing, then click on Email. In the top right corner, click Create Email. Choose Regular as your email type, and then select the Simple option. This is HubSpot's plain text style editor, designed for clean, minimal emails that feel more personal and direct. Once you're inside, let's talk about what you can actually customize. The first section is your subject line and preview text. This is extremely important because it determines whether someone opens your email. You can fully customize the subject line, the preview text, the from name, and the from address. For example, you can send the email from a specific team member instead of your company name to make it feel more conversational. This is especially powerful for sales outreach or relationship building emails. Next is the body content. In a plain text email, you're working primarily with text only. You can add paragraphs, create clean spacing with line breaks, and insert hyperlinks. If you want to link to a landing page or a meeting scheduler, simply highlight the text and insert your link. You can also add personalization tokens, which work incredibly well in plain text emails. For example, you can insert contact.firstname to automatically greet someone by their first name. You can add company.name to reference their business, or owner.firstname if you want the email to appear as if it's coming directly from the contact owner. These dynamic fields make your emails feel customized at scale. Now, it's important to understand what you cannot do in a plain text email. You cannot add images. You can't insert buttons. You can't create columns or styled modules. You also can't embed videos or add custom HTML. Plain text emails are intentionally simple. That simplicity often improves deliverability and makes the message feel more authentic, but it does limit design flexibility. When it comes to basic styling, HubSpot does allow a few formatting options. You can use bold, italic, and underline text. You can create bulleted or numbered lists, and you can even add block quotes if needed. However, you cannot change fonts, colors, or background styling. Everything stays clean and minimal. Another important section is the footer. Even in plain text emails, you must comply with email regulations. You can customize your company address, manage subscription links, and ensure all required canned spam fields are included. HubSpot usually pulls this information from your account settings, but you can review and adjust it if necessary. Before sending your email, always send a test email to yourself. Check how the spacing looks, make sure personalization tokens populate correctly, and confirm that your links work. Plain text emails rely heavily on formatting and spacing, so small adjustments can make a big difference in readability. And that's it. You now know exactly how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot, what features are available, what limitations exist, and how to use personalization tokens effectively to increase engagement. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.